好, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina. I'm the founder and the teacher of Smart Mandarin, and my job is to help you speak Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's video, actually, it's the very first episode of our new series, mini-series. It is called How to Answer. In this How to Answer series, I'm going to teach you how to answer some commonly asked questions from the Mandarin native speakers. So you got some default answer to prepare when next time the native speakers are asking you this question. So now without further ado, let's get started. The first question is 你叫什么名字? This is a very commonly asked question. Of course, people need to know your name. So 你叫什么名字? So what's your name? But literally it means you call what name? 你叫什么名字? And to answer this one, you could say 我叫 I call and then your name 我叫 or you could say 我是 I am 我是 so 我叫 Katrina or 我是 Katrina. In Taiwan or China, sometimes people might assume that all the foreigners are Americans. I don't know why. Okay, maybe that's the first country comes to their mind. Okay, so probably the second question they would ask you is 你是美国人吗? Are you Americans? Don't get offended when you got asked by this question because maybe some people, they don't travel a lot and they don't know a lot of foreign countries, so they just assume that you are Americans. It's like when I travel, people assume that I am Japanese or they assume that I'm Korean. So don't get offended. All right, just say 不是我不是美国人 No, I'm not Americans. 不是我不是美国人 So when people ask you 你是美国人吗? Are you Americans? 你是美国人吗? 美国 America, the country. 人 is the people. So 你是美国人吗? 不是，我不是美国人。我是 I am. And then XYZ, that's your country. The number 3 question is 你是哪国人? Which country are you from? Okay, 你是 you are 哪国 which country 哪国人 you are which country people or person 你是哪国人 or sometimes you hear different questions but it's the same meaning 你是哪里人 you are where person 你是 you are 哪里 where 人 person meaning where are you from 你是哪里人 or 你是哪国人你是哪里人 Another one is 你从哪里来 Where are you from? So basically you could hear 3 different questions but they are actually the same meaning. Okay, so 你从哪里来从 meaning from. So you from where come. Literally, you from where come means where are you from? 你从哪里来你从哪里来 Okay, to answer these questions, if someone asks you 你是哪国人 and then you need to say 我是 Okay, for example, if you are, I don't know, Japanese, you would say 我是日本人我是日本人 Okay, just to, put your country and the person 我是日本人 And 你是哪里人 Actually, you could also say the same thing 我是日本人我是日本人 But if people know your nationality already, they know that you are 日本人 And then you can say the city that you are from. For example, you could say 我是台北人. I'm from Taipei. So you can put the city to tell people where are you from. Okay. 我是台北人. And the next one is 你从哪里来? Where are you coming from? 你从哪里来? So remember in our course, which you can see the link right there, I talked about the answer goes where the question goes. So you just need to switch the question word to the answer. 你从哪里来? Obviously, 哪里 is the question. So you could say 我从日本来. I'm from Japan. I come from Japan. 我从日本来. 我从日本来. Or you could say 我从台湾来. 我从台北来. So all you have to do is to put the city or the country to the question word. Next one is 你在哪里工作? Where do you work? Okay, so it could mean like where do you work or what's your job? It could imply what's your job. So you can answer a place. 我在 name of the city. Okay, 我在北京工作. I'm working in 北京. 我在北京工作. All right, or you can put a company, the name of the company. You could say 我在 Google 工作. 我在 Microsoft 工作. Okay, so if you want to know how to say Google in Mandarin, that would be 谷歌, 谷歌. So you could say the name of the company and say 我在谷歌工作. But I think that people know Google, I guess, because all my friends around me, they know Google. They just say Google in English. They don't really say Google. But just in case, if you really talk to some people who doesn't know what is Google in English, you could say Google, that's Mandarin. Or Microsoft, you could say 我在微软工作. 微软 is Microsoft, this company in Mandarin Chinese. Okay, 我在微软工作. So you can put a name of a city or a name of the company. The other question is 你做什么工作? You do what job? 你做什么工作? You do what job? So to answer this, you need to say 我是 I am. Okay, just like in English, you can say 我是老师. I am a teacher. Do remember that in English, you say I am a teacher, but in Mandarin, we just say I am teacher. 我是老师. So to answer this question, you say 我是 da 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 in your job title. 我是工程师 engineer. 工程师 or 我是经理 manager 经理. If you want to learn more about business Mandarin for beginner, I actually had 2 videos about business Mandarin for beginner. You can click the link right there or somewhere here on the screen. All right, so 我是. So when people ask you 你做什么工作? What do you do? 你做什么工作? And you just answer 我是. Prepare your default answer next time when people ask you. Or you could say 我在 company name 当 position. All right. 我在 company name 当 position. What do I mean by that? Okay, you could say 我在谷歌当工程师. I work as an engineer at Google. 我在谷歌 Google is Google. 我在谷歌当 here meaning to be or to work as, okay? 我在谷歌当工程师. Or you could say 我在小学当老师. I work as a teacher in elementary school. 我 在小学，小学 literally means small study, but it means elementary school. 我在小学当老师。So remember to check what is the name of your company in Mandarin Chinese, if there is, and to check your occupation job title in Mandarin Chinese so you could say the sentence as your default answer to answer, the native speaker this question. 我在小学当老师. Alright, that's all for the first episode of How to Answer series. Let me know what other commonly asked questions that you get from Mandarin native speaker. Let me know in the comment below so I can collect your questions and make them into my video lessons to the series to help you guys. And if you want to join Smart Mandarin to become my lifetime student, here is the link down below to check out my schooling, smartmandarin.co, to check out all of my courses, become my lifetime student, live with me, get more exclusive with Smart Mandarin. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I will catch you next time. 再见。